In a world where shadows dance, where whispers turn to dreams, I reach for the light, but it's bursting at the seams. Don't look down on all the needs that throw me off track, because there aren't many fragments left waiting to be picked up. Feel like I'm lost in a maze where silence speaks so loud, searching for the pieces neath the lonely cloud. Don't let all the thoughts confuse you. Don't be afraid to speak your mind. Don't be ashamed of what's behind you. I'm just out of sight, where my heart can unwind. Building castles in the air, reaching for what's real. Somewhere else I could find myself. Somewhere else I could feel. Every moment fleeting, like the tide that ebbs and flows, carving out my story with every breath that I compose. The echoes of my past, the whispers in the dark, but I'll gather up the courage, ignite that inner spark. Take a chance, step outside the lines we drew before, to find the beauty waiting behind the closed door. Don't let all the thoughts confuse you. Don't be afraid to speak your mind. Don't be ashamed of what's behind you. I'm just out of sight, where my heart can unwind. Building castles in the air, reaching for